Good morning to all of you. Now we are going to start about chapter number 16. The name of the chapter is Local Self-Government. You are aware of our government, types of government. Now let's us study about the local government of India. Dear students, a paragraph is given below for you. The things which are not applicable for you, draw a line on that and write the correct details in the blank given below. Here students, I live in blank. Okay, those who are in Khambat city, they can write down Khambat, and those who are in village, those who are coming from village, they can write down the name of their village. Suppose I have to write, I am writing I live in Kanisa. After that, second line is that there is a Gram Panchayat, municipality, corporations in my village or city. Okay, if Khambat is that is municipality is that. Okay, if you belong to any village, in village there is no municipality, no corporations, it is in Gram Panchayat is that. Okay, so I have to write wherever you belong, that just tick mark. After that, the name of its head, that is either Sarpanch, President, or the mayor is that. So if I am from village, I have to write the Sarpanch name. Whoever is that Sarpanch in your village, you have to write Sarpanch. After you fill these details, it is understood that you live in a village or city. You are aware of local administration systems of the area. Let us know how the local administrative systems work. So here you can see, students, there is a system of village administrations and the city administrations. So in village administration there are three types of administration is that village, taluka and the districts. While in city administration, that is municipalities and the corporation. After that, students, the Panchayati Raj is that we have accepted three-tier systems work of the Panchayati Raj. That is Panchayati Raj at village level, Panchayati Raj at taluka level, and the Panchayati Raj at district level. Administrations run by representative elected by the people of the local level is called local self-government. These institutions are called local self-government organization. Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, District Panchayat belong to the village. Local self-government, municipalities and the corporations are the local self-government at the city level. Okay, students. After that, yes, students, you can see in the figure 16.2. Okay, in 16.2 there is a figure is that. Okay, that is the from downside you are seeing the Gram Panchayat is that, Taluka Panchayat is that, District Panchayat is that, State Panchayat is there, and the Central Panchayat government is that. That is state government and the central government. So the Gram Panchayat is the base of all government. See students here, Gram Panchayat is that is the base of government. Taluka Panchayat is above the Gram Panchayat. The District Panchayat is above the Gram Panchayat and Taluka Panchayat. After the state government is there which run administrations. Administrations of Gujarat is carried by government of Gujarat. Our country is governed by the central government. Thus, Gram Panchayat is the base of all governments. Gram Panchayat is the most important unit of Panchayati Raj. After that, rural governance, that is Gram Panchayat. The formation is that, students. The Gram Panchayat is most important unit in the institutions of local self-government. Gram Panchayat is composed in the village having the populations from 500 to 25,000. This all called the Gram Panchayat. There are minimum 8 and maximum 16 candidate elected, the basis populations of the Gram Panchayat. Some minimum students, there is 8 students, there is 8 is that, and the maximum is 16 candidates are there. Yes, head of the Gram Panchayat is called Sarpanch. Sarpanch is that is the head of the Gram Panchayat. Okay, students, here is that Sarpanch is that is the head of the Gram Panchayat. Sarpanch as well other candidates of the Gram Panchayat are elected after every 5 years. Students, this is also remember, every 5 years there should be a election. Okay, voters elect Sarpanch through the direct voting. Ward members are elected by the voters of concerned ward. So the ward members are there that are giving the particular ward candidates only. Okay, while Sarpanch is that the whole village members are giving, those who complete the 18 years, they all will give the vote to the Sarpanch. But in ward member, the particular ward village people are there only, they are giving the member of that particular area. The Gram Panchayat elections are not constrained by the political parties or on the symbol of any political party. So the students, the Gram Panchayat level is that, the election is that is not belong to any political party or not any symbol. Okay, they have their own personal symbols are there. The administrations is that the Sarpanch and the members of the Gram Panchayat together to decide the work development by making the resolutions on the development of the Talatikam ministers is appointed by the government. He or she handle the administrative work, collect the taxes, make reports of the Gram Panchayat and prepare the form of keep the record by budgetary account. This office of Gram Panchayat is also called the village secretariat. After that, the sources of incomes of the Gram Panchayat. How can income will get of the Gram Panchayat? What are the sources to getting the income of Gram Panchayat? So the first one is that water tax, cleaning tax or the property tax is that, or fourth one is shop tax. These all types of taxes are there. Okay. After that, grant given by the state governments and the central government. Students, some grants are there, they will be given to the particular village. Okay. After that, the functions are there. So the giving the house number. What are the works of the Gram Panchayat? That is giving the house number. After that, arrangement of the household and the drinking water, making road paths in the village, cleaning the village streets and the disposals of dirty water, maintenance of public property, maintenance of health related facilities in the village, lightnings arrangement in the village, education facilities includes the primary educations in the village, awareness, okay, propagation is that, planning of the village development, maintenance of the crops and the pastures in the village, maintenance of land asset offices, maintenance of birth and death registers. These types of work should be there to maintain the office. After that, Gram Sabha is that in the general languages, Gram Sabha means to collect the villagers. Village meeting is like the legislative assembly. All the elderly peoples of the village are considered as the member of Gram Sabha. All of them are supposed to remain present, have the right to cast vote and even to put up proposal. The Gram Panchayat is required to organize Gram Sabha at least twice a year. Sarpanch is the chairman of the Gram Sabha. Meeting of Gram Sabha is called the after prior informations. The officers of taluka and district level remain present in the meeting along with the government employees of the village also remain present. Priority of the development work to be done by Gram Panchayat is decided. Various problems village such as the village road, drinking water, cleanliness, light, education, health are discussed. In this Gram Sabha they are discussing these types of any of the problems in the village. Each and every member of Gram Panchayat should be aware of remain present in the Gram Sabha. The village problems and the developments work should be discussed then. Only transparent administrations and the purpose of the Gram Sabha will be successful. After that, the Taluka Panchayat is that. The Taluka Panchayat is second level after the Gram Panchayat is local self-government. The formation is that. The number of seats of Taluka Panchayat are decided according to the ratio of population. There are minimum 16 and maximum 32 elected members in Taluka Panchayat. 50% seats should be reserved for women, so out of them, voter of these seats are elect to the member of Taluka Panchayat. President and the vice president of Taluka Panchayat are selected by elected members on the basis of majority, as well as from these elected members, executive committees, social justice committees, etc. are formed.